How to fix Instagram DM glitch. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Whenever you navigate your chat on your Instagram and you face a problem that your DMs are not loading, so there are some few troubleshooting steps that you can try out to fix the issue. First and foremost, make sure that you have proper internet connection in your device. Sometimes weak or poor internet connection will prevent the DMs loading in your Instagram. So make sure you have internet connection, or you can try switching your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection with your mobile data if possible. After that, check whether the problem will be solved or not. If that still doesn't help you, then you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. In order to do so, open up the Google Play Store. On the search bar, type in Instagram, and if you get an update option, simply tap on update. Now once your app get update, then open up the application. Now check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still doesn't help you, now what you can do is open up the settings on your device. Now tap on apps. Again tap on see all apps. Here you will get all the applications installed on your device. Scroll down and search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. That's gonna take you to the app info page of Instagram. From here, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will help you get rid of junk file of Instagram from your device, which will help you to solve out the issue. After you do that, open up the Instagram and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then what you can do is uninstall the Instagram application from your device and install it back from the Google Play Store, and restart your device by pressing and holding the power button. And once you restart, log in back to your Instagram account, and that will help you out to fix the problem. And that's how you can fix Instagram DMs glitch problem. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.